Today, I'm gonna grill shrimp 3 ways with Tony Chachere. Yeah, all in one hand, look at that. Hey, you're watching Big Lou Barbecue and things I want to do. And today I want to grill some shrimp for you on my new Monument Grill, 6-burner grill. Hey, Monument Grill folks sent it to me in exchange for a couple videos and a couple demonstration videos of me cooking on it. And this is one of those videos. But I like grilling shrimp, all right? I like grilling shrimp the classic way is with Tony Chachere to me. I grew up in Louisiana. This stuff's been around. Started making this in 75 commercial, but it was available around 72 in his original cookbook, which I got right over there behind me. Belonged to my grandfather. He used to make it. And, you know, just put this on shrimp, a little bit of oil, grill the shrimp. That's how I like shrimp, you know. We're going to do some wrapped in prosciutto. Now, prosciutto's, you know, it's that Italian ham. It's cut real slim, real skinny. It's the new bacon, you know. And it's salty and it's greasy, so don't need any oil in the shrimp. Don't need any salt. So we're going to use Tony Chachere's no salt. All right, and blackened. I like to cook blackened fish and blackened shrimp, and I've got several kinds of blackened seasonings, and I've got recipes for blackened seasonings. But you know what? Spices and herbs, Tony's Spices and Herbs is good for lots of things, but it also works for blackened. It even says so right on the package. Hey, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. Let's get these shrimp done. Got them peeled, deveined, and separated. The small ones are going to be the blackened ones. The middle ones are going to be grilled with Creole, and the larger ones will be wrapped in prosciutto and then grilled. I'm putting the small and medium ones in separate bowls, and now I'm putting on some Kenlock pecan oil onto these. The larger shrimp won't need the pecan oil. Now, if you haven't tried pecan oil, I encourage you to do so. I've got a discount code where you can save 15% from Kenlock pecan oil, and the link will be down below. All right, I'm putting on the spices and herbs on the small ones. They'll be blackened. I'm putting on the Creole kind on the medium-sized ones. I'm going to set those to the side, move these into the center, and I'm putting on the no salt stuff. These don't need to have oil or salt because the prosciutto is going to have all the grease and oil and all the salt that I need. Now, I took out 6 slices of prosciutto for a dozen shrimp because I'm going to wrap 2 shrimp in each slice by cutting it in half like that. Now, it can be a little tricky because it is sliced so thin. The idea is to just kind of roll the shrimp in the prosciutto and you can get it done. All right, to skewer them, I'm going to fold these prosciutto ones in half and put them through. And now I'm going to put half a dozen on a skewer, the prosciutto ones, and all dozen of the Creole ones on one skewer. I tried to make the tails go opposite way on the Creole ones. I didn't really care about the prosciutto ones, just needed to get them on there without tearing the prosciutto. This is a big grill, but I'm only running 4 burners. There's 6. I got these 2 on this side off. I'm going to be cooking on this side primarily because that's the side the camera's on. All right, now, these are running medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them down a little bit down to low because they are pretty hot. It's been preheating for a while. The cast iron is at high. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, but these grates are hot. I'm gonna cook the 2 with the prosciutto right over here on top of these burners, just like that. Can you hear that sizzle? Yep. I'm gonna cook the Creole ones over here along that burner. Let's get some butter, because you got to blacken stuff with butter. Now, the grill is level, but my patio isn't, okay? And you can see how hot that is as fast as that butter is melting. Boy. All right, I better turn that down. It is hot. Woo! It's going to be fun, y'all. Here we go. Blacken is in. Every time I blacken fish, you got to sing Metallica songs, man. I don't know why. I've been doing that since I was 18. And that album came out. Maybe it came out when I was 17, but I was an old teenager. Anyway, blackened shrimp. Now I'm going to keep them, just what I'm doing right now is just leaving them on one side right here. Because, you know, whenever you blacken food, make sure that you are doing it outside and on cast iron. Because it's got to be hot. And it's got to be quick. All right, time to turn these over. Yes, indeed. It's not going to take long for these shrimp here on the blackened method. That little guy there, he's about done already. Get that one over, right like that. Yep. Woo! Let's turn these over. Make sure they haven't stuck. Should have brought my gloves out here. It's loose. Oh, I thought it was loose. Turn over, baby. Turn over. I'll let that one cook a little bit. I'll loosen it up from back here. Real easy. There we go. Turn it over. Right like that. This one should turn over easy. Boom. Look how beautiful those are. Wow. All right, these blackened shrimp are done. You want to check your shrimp till, 140 something internal, something like that. I should have my thermometer out here, but I don't. But I'll be able to tell when they're done. I know what shrimp look like when they're done, right? These big ones in the prosciutto are going to take longer. I've got those burners down lower, and they're bigger shrimp, and they're wrapped in prosciutto, so they're going to certainly take longer. Look at that blackened stuff right there. That's going to be good. All right, I just flipped those one more time. I'm going to flip the prosciutto ones one more time. That prosciutto's beginning to get crispy now. That's what I'm looking for. All right, these are done. Just look at that right there. And what I'm going to do, go ahead and put them over here with these blackened ones rather. And I've got them over here above the two burners that are off on the warming rack, just staying warm till these are done. Turn again. And turn again. These are done. Right there. Ooh, those skewers are hot. And right there, just look how gorgeous that is. Woo! All right. Prosciutto wrapped, Creole grilled, blackened. All right, back off the patio and in the kitchen. Just that quick and easy, the convenience of gas grilling, right? All right, there we go again. That's that platter. The blackened ones are right there. All right, the Creole grilled ones right there. I don't have a better name for it. It's just kind of the way I've always been eating shrimp. And then the prosciutto wrapped ones right there, wrapped with that no salt Tony Chachere. Whoop, all right, I'm gonna pull them off of here and then go ahead and taste them, okay? And these skewers are hot, but go with this one on the skewer first, because this is the way I've been eating shrimp for as long as I remember. Tony Chachere's been around since my grandfather used to make it in 1972 when he first came out with his cookbook, right? And you just skewer them and put some oil on them, put this on them, and grill them. To me, that is the classic taste of a grilled shrimp. Just some oil and some Tony Chachere's, throw it on the skewer. That's fantastic. All right, I'm gonna do a blackened one now with the spices and herb mix. Oh yeah. That's burn. No, that's blackened. Those herbs and stuff get in there and man, oh man, you get that char. And you can still taste those spices and herbs. Wow. That's really good. That butter, Now that piece of iron, that's a Monument Grill piece of iron. They did not send that to me. I bought that from Monument Grills. So I bought the piece of iron. All right, now, the prosciutto wrap one. Oh, mama. Oh. Do they say prosciutto is the new bacon? If they don't, they should. That's good stuff. Hannah, you want to try a prosciutto wrapped shrimp? She just walked in the room. I'm going to get one for her. These things are hot. Here you go. Prosciutto wrapped. And that's not too salty. That's just like the perfect amount of salt because the prosciutto gives the salt. So I used the no salt Tony's in that one. She's just off camera. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
Okay. What do you think of the prosciutto wrapped shrimp?
It was really good.
Really good. The Monument Grills did great. You want to try a blackened one?
Yeah. It's not bland. It's definitely salty enough.
Now that one's going to be real salty, that blackened one.
I like that, but I like blackened fish.
All right, and then this is just a classic grilled one with just classic Tony Chachere's. All right, she's just off camera. She's trying all of them. She didn't want to be here on camera, but that's my 20-year-old daughter right there. What do you think, babe?
That's really good shrimp.
Huh? What do you think of that prosciutto wrap one?
I like it. It's a neat idea.
Hey, thanks for watching Big Blue Barbecue.